You like to do like a travel vlog? I mean traveling vlog. Ito yun guys, para ready pang summer guys. Oh, mga gazebo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. The cats are crazy. Good morning. Ride para sa kanila. Kapag mahilig kayo sa croissants from Costco, mahirap naman pabalik-balik dun, diba? So ayun. Kuha kayo ng marami, ilagay nyo sa freezer. Hindi masisira guys kapag sa freezer. Ang liit ng itlog ay. Walang jumbo kasi yung ShopRite namin dito. Puro large at saka small. Gusto ni Tami isang egg. Ito yung sa akin guys. And ito yung kay Tami. Ayaw niyang ipatoast yan. So, yun. Patulugan ko muna yan si Tami. Tawagan ko lang yung kapatid ko. And yun. May naririnig akong ibon. The sun is out. Look at it. Sunrise. Sunrise, guys. May sunrise tayo. Yay! Why you're smart? Guys, yung camera ko guys is tawag nito? What is it? Memory card loss, something, no memory card. And he fixed it always. You fix it always. You fix it always. You do.
Computer crap.
But how come you are good with it?
I have no idea.
Mister, the growling, we don't like it. We don't like the growling. What's your necklace on? Mister. My God, you make too much noise, Mister. Look at that, guys. That's what we just don't like. Be nice. She's so aggressive, guys. That's what she is. She is. Sure, but hug her. Roxy, down. Put your bone down. Ala! Ala! Put your bone down. Put your bone down. Roxy, put your bone down. Guys, alis kami guys, pero si Tami still busy watching Supernatural, guys. So me, while waiting, I'm going to have lunch. Early lunch, guys, because I know later on I will be kulapsi. Cheese freak. He keep eating cheese, guys. Okay, we're gonna go with him haircut. He's gonna get a haircut. That's his favorite jacket, guys. I'm sorry, you keep repeating it. The thing about this, guys, kasi magka-white kasi dito kapag lalo na kapag nagpa-powder ka, nagpa-foundation, nagkaano talaga dito. Look white. I washed this already but I don't care. Last night guys ba, yung ano ko is sobrang sakit, diba? Yung puson ko. Look at that. And ngayon, hindi na siya masakit pero yung feeling na ano, yung parang lalagnatin ka, yung katawan mo is tamlay, yung matamlay. Naghintay lang ako kay Tami. Parang ginugupitan na siya. He is here! Yan. Bagong gupit. Always looking good, baby. Always looking good.
I think you did a better job than usual.
Hmm?
I think you did better than usual today, but I can't really tell.
Nice. I like it that better. You don't cut much on front. There's a car behind you. Hi, Gopito.
How are we doing water at the house?
We're good.
You sure? Because I gotta go to HY where I can just remind the people to get water.
Okay, just get water then.
Because I need to get a case. I need to get a pack of water bottles for work too.
Okay. So this is the new glass they gave you. It's nicer and clearer.
I don't know about that, but you see that the stickers all curly because they...
Oh yeah, they don't put it right.
Well, no, they don't put it right. They peel them off. They're not going to stick properly.
Well, that's not a big deal, hon. The whole deal over here is the glass. It's nice. It's not like so cloudy the last time you. Meron na tayong bagong glass. The cracked glass is replaced. Anyway, guys, over here we have to pay our garbage. We have to pay. In the city where Tommy go, we don't pay garbage. It's a tax. It's a part of the tax, and they just pick up the garbage. Over here, you don't have a choice. Han, I have a question for Tommy, guys. Would you like to do like a travel vlog? I mean, traveling vlog.
A traveling vlog?
Yeah, like we drive to other places, nice, like you know.
I like to drive and travel. You vlog.
Yeah, but you think you can survive driving and then stop somewhere and then drive? Huh?
Yeah, except the whole need to work aspect.
Yeah. But is it Colorado is far from here? Because there's a lot of nice in Colorado, like that tourist thing.
Colorado's 3,000 miles.
What is 3,000 miles?
3,000 miles away.
How far is the drive? 3,000.
A few days.
Few days? Okay guys, Tommy, okay, explain. Oh yeah, for the washer guys. So ito yung ano namin. Which one you're getting? So we have to put this back. So he's getting this. It's like a chocolate.
Well, I would get the white ones, but I don't see them in white.
It doesn't matter what color. Yeah, they have different kind of things guys for furniture guys.
Yeah, but this
Na para the most
these
easy.
actually,
We have that.
Yeah, but these actually woodwork. This is for the floor, but the rubber end of it, which is not really rubber, but
yeah. Oh my god, I like this guys. Tignan natin malayo ha. Tignan malayo. Oh. Look. Ang ganda, panglabas siya guys. This is ano, like fire too. Yeah. What is this? 50 bucks. Ang ganda siya. Ang ganda. Ito yun guys, para ready pang summer guys. Oh, mga gazebo. Ang ganda talaga guys. Ang ganda dito. Oh, bili ako, maghanap ako ng ganito para sa... Yes! No, I don't need big barrels. No, I don't need it. Thank you. Tignan nyo, hon. It's so nice. Hold on, look. That's a fire thing. No, look at that fire thing.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
It's not gonna cost fire, honey. Ito yung nakaano guys. Look, ito maliit guys. Oh, 300 bucks. This guys, look at this.
Yeah, but I like
Hala, ang dami talaga guys. As in, sobrang ganda talaga nila. Grabe. Ito guys, oh. Ito yung nakikita ko sa mga magazine. Pero andito sila ang mura. 10 bucks lang, oh. And, meron sila dito ang ganda. What is this, hand? Look how big is that, guys. 20 bucks? Ay! Hold it, hand. Hand, hold it. Like, I thought it's heavy. 20 bucks? I thought it's heavy.
Yeah, because they make it look like it's pottery.
And this one too is heavy?
No.
Oh, this one is sure. This is real.
This is real too. Kinda like it. Lighthouse.
It's a lighthouse.
Solar.
Oh, it's a solar lighthouse.
Guess if it spins.
How much is it?
No, it doesn't spin. It's just light now.
There's electric supply, right?
Yeah, this is solar.
Hello, look at how cute is this.
That's still solar. Nice for the garden.
Mga ano sila, oh, mga nice, ano, let your dreams set sail. Look, ang ganda. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. Seriously, Tommy, look at him, guys. We have a lot of snacks in the house. He got more of this. Cheerios, Cheetos, whatever. Do you want burger to be cooked for lunch? Hmm?
Or dinner.
Or dinner. Okay.
What else?
Guys, look at this, guys. Tommy is just like ordering for lunch, and then we're not gonna eat having dinner because of the lunch. So what happens? She just do like this, oh. She close the thing. She open it. She close it again, and then she hit the right button. She do like this, ano? Chunk. I saw her hands. She looks like aggravated. She do like chink. I think she do the blinking. She see the blinking, and then suddenly I can. Suddenly it's on. This is yung laruan para sa bata. In-order ko para sa laruan. It's so cute. Ito yung binili namin, guys. Binili ko sa ano. Oh my God, mahirap pag may mag-menstruation. Ay. Ito yung binili ko sa Big Lots. Ito siya. Magkano ba to? $7 lang. $7 lang siya, guys. Yan. And, okay naman siya. Parang may ano tayo dito ba? Parang may ano tayo dito. Parang bulak-bulak. God, I'm having a hard time connecting this thing, guys. Jesus. I cannot connect the PS4 to the laptop. And it tells me here, on the PS4 select settings. Patulong tayo ni Stami, guys. Hindi ko kasi alam how to do this shit. Ito yung PS4 dito, guys. Ang laki. Ang laki ng PS4. Guys, it's fun. It's like Tommy did it. He fixed the freaking PS4. He did it himself.
Fix it? I don't fix it.
Oh, he did so good. And why he's good on everything? He connect this, connect there. This is what you need. You need to connect this, connect that. Turn this on. No, hon. Why, hon?
I've been fighting with technology for 100 years.
How old are you now? How
107.
107. Hon, is this 100 and then you add 7?
Well, I didn't start when I was in diapers.
I love you. Okay, I'll be right there, okay?
Yeah.
Hi, Rox! Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, dadali you up here. Dadali you up. Dadal. Ito, yung baby niyo, mama niya. I love na mama na. No, pinangga. Ay, pinangga dyan. Okay, guys, let's try to do a game. Alam niyo, guys, nag-ano ako, guys, itong ginagawa ko palagi sa YouTube, ang tinitignan ko palagi is ito. Itong mga live sa space, yung space videos. Live sila, guys. At saka marami silang nagla-live. Palagi kong tinitignan, guys. At saka nakakaano, guys, nakaka-amaze tignan na nakikita mo yung as in yung talaga kung saan ka talaga ngayon. Nakikita mo, you know?
I don't know, so you should run a computer down here so we can see what the issues.
I'm not gonna carry the two of them.
You don't have to carry the two of them. The game's connected to the Wi-Fi. You don't have to carry the game.
Oh, really?
Just the laptop.
you want to get out in this house?
Because Tuesday nights are always horrible. By the time I get home in bed, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I gotta be up at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's like,
And I understand that. It's just the way you say it. It's like...
oh, honey, you should understand what I'm saying.
Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mix, guys. Ito siya, guys. Frozen nga ito sila, guys. So, yun lang. Ibibake natin siya. And then, kuha tayo ng cheese para lagyan natin ng cheese mamaya. Umalis na sila, Tami. Ako, nag-ano lang ako sa computer ko kasi may inasikaso ako yung laro. Hindi pa talaga ako marunong mag-ano, guys, laro. So, I need to keep sa controller kasi mahirap. And I really wanna keep going with my other channel. So, yun. And I'm going upstairs. I just came down here, sorry. I just came down here to get the camera. I will see you guys in my next video. Mukbang. Mukbang. Nauhaw ako, nauhaw. So yun lang, guys. I'm going to end this video. Wala kami masyadong ganap today ni Tami. So yun, wala kami masyadong ganap. And thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys na lang sa mga susunod na video. Bye! Good night, guys. Good night. Tomorrow, guys, it's gonna be snowing, icy, something like that. Bye. Good night, guys.